Amanda here to show you how to play music for as long as you want with this. No! Okay, so setting a music timer is as easy as 5, 6, 7, 8. Just say, Alexa, play dance music for 20 seconds.
Playing Top Dance on Amazon Music for 20 seconds.
Oh, I had it! Alexa, extend my music timer for 20 seconds. Alexa, play jazz music for 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Alexa, play meditation music for 10 minutes. You can also ask, Alexa, how much time is left?
You have 9 minutes and 30 seconds left on your music timer.
And there you have it. Play music for any duration of time with timed music actions. This is fun. I like relaxing. Relaxing.